Outstanding design defines the 2013 BMW M5. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 30,000 kilometers. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include leather upholstery, variably intermittent wipers, lane departure warning, and remote keyless entry. The unique heads-up display projects vehicle information onto the windshield, including speed, gear selection, and engine speed. Drivers benefit by not having to take their eyes off the road. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 16 speakers, yielding a symphony-like audio experience. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing BMW's rigorous certification process. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.